What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the DIMO token on Coinbase. So these steps will be very easy to follow and you will be buying crypto on Coinbase within a couple of minutes. So head over to coinbase.com. If you don't have an account yet, then check out the link in the description to sign up for Coinbase and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, log into your account and you will arrive at this page. As you can see, we have a page with all kind of options, but we will head over to the search bar and there we will type in DIMO. And now the coin will appear, as you can see. We will select it and now it's connecting us to the token page. We have a price chart over here and we have a option to change the time frames, as you can see. Then you can see the transactions and the price actions on this price chart. Once you have checked that, then you can read some information about this project and also check the stats about like the market cap, the volume, the circulating supply, the all-time highs, almost everything. And now we got some trading options on the right side. So we have a buy, sell and convert option. For this video I will buy coins and you also can select the one-time order. So basically this is the order type. We have a one-time order that is one single order for the current market price, but you can also set a recurring buy, and that is basically that you will automatically purchase on a daily, weekly or monthly base. So that is the order type. Now we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend. Let's say 1000 euros. And after that we can select the payment method. So head over to the payment method and now you can select your payment method. Is the preferred payment method not available in this list? Then add a new one and it will appear in this list. Once you have done that, you can select your payment method, head over back to this overview and then check if you have selected the right coin. Of course we have selected it because we were searching for it, so now head over to review your order. And that is where the magic happens, because here you can save yourself a lot of money by trading on Coinbase. So if you trade a lot on Coinbase or are planning to trade a lot on Coinbase, then I should use the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, I'm paying a transaction fee for this order, and that is basically 38 euros on this order alone. If you do this on a monthly base, then you can save yourself a lot of money by using the Coinbase One subscription. This will provide that you won't pay any transaction fees on upcoming orders until 10k a month. So definitely try that out. You can try it for free for 7 days. After those 7 days, you will be paying around 25 euros a month. So it's definitely worth it already on this order. And once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now and they will be added on the left side here at my assets. So let me know in the comments if it was helpful. And we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!